My name is Mohammed Ali, Zero Ali, and I'm Technical Sales Manager at Tahook Precision Solutions. I first will explain a little bit about what EDM is. Let's start with an animation that will show you a wire EDM followed by how the spark erodes the surface. Electrode discharge machining, also called spark erosion, means that we have an electrode that is placed close to the surface of the product. Sparks fly from the electrode to the product and erode the product. Of course, it's a little bit more technical than that, but this describes the working principle best. In the animation, you just saw a spark jumping towards the surface of the product. As you can imagine, the spark will always take the route of least resistance. The highest peaks will be machined the first. This will happen in milliseconds on multiple locations of the electrode. Every time the spark jumps, it will jump at the place where the distance between the surface and the electrode and the product is the shortest.